Hello Facebook ads people, I'm Konstantinos, and today we're going to analyze the Black Friday strategy, my Black Friday strategy for 2025. So, if you have seen the previous strategies from 2024, we're having some small changes, but first of all, let's start from what we're doing before the Black Friday period, before Q4. I have done a video on July, I believe, that I was explaining that you need to start scaling right now, you need to start increasing your budget so that you're going to fill your ad account with evergreen campaigns. What are the evergreen campaigns? Campaigns that can stay there forever. Campaigns that are having an offer or even a promo that is going to be there forever. You're not going to remove it. So these are campaigns that we can leave on the ad account if they're working forever. So we're trying to establish as many campaigns as we can to do our tests with products, offers, funnels, creatives, whatever that may be, and establish as more as we can. We treat them all together with average results as we know, and we're watching the average results and we're seeing if we are profitable or not. Hi guys, I would like to interrupt this video in order to talk to you about my Facebook ads course. It took me 6 months of video editing everything and 3 months of video shooting. And because of that, I have created the best Facebook ad course in the world. Inside, you're going to find super advanced information, but information also for beginners. It takes you by the hand in order to teach you how to do Facebook ads from the beginner level to super advanced level. It has inside Loom videos from cost caps, speed caps, Loom videos from CBO, ASC optimization. It has chosen 5 sessions, inner circle sessions, and it has a lot of theory with whiteboard, also strategies that are working all of these years, things that I have developed, things that I know that are working because I have spent millions and millions on the platform. Currently, I'm spending between 5 and 10 million every month, sometimes it's even more, across 30 accounts, and I have access to many more. So I know what is currently working and all the latest trends, and this is what I'm doing inside the course. I'm showing you live ad accounts with real spend and what is working right now. And if you want, you can click the link below, you can go and you can check some videos that I have open free for you so that you can check if you like the course or not and decide if you want to buy it or not. I will see you there. So what am I going to do in all of my ad accounts and what I'm expecting from you to do? Until October, I'm going to keep scaling as much as I can. In some ad accounts that I know them and I trust them and I know that they're going to have very good results, maybe I'm even going to go negative on some of those because I know that I will make so much money from that effort later on Black Friday period, which I know that it's going to compensate me for even breaking even or losing some money. If I'm having bad results a little bit before my Black Friday ads starting, I'm not going to panic because everybody's going to start running ads. I'm going to keep it and I know that I'm going to have good results. What's the ultimate goal over here? To have a base of evergreen campaigns that is going to go through the period of Black Friday. It's going to get inflated inside with data from the Black Friday ads. Most likely Facebook is going to steal also a lot of sales from email marketing, SMS, repeated customers, but all of this is okay as long as it goes inside cold traffic evergreen campaigns. We're not going to do retargeting at all. We don't need any data inside the retargeting campaigns. Only stolen data that goes inside cold traffic ads that will help us get more sales are useful. Retargeting, we're just going to do a campaign for 100 per day and that's it. We don't care about it. We're going to have then our evergreen campaigns, normal ones. Is it going to be CBO crazy method? It's going to be whatever structure is working for you. And we're going to have also our cost caps established there. We're going to start our promo for Black Friday and it's very important to be a BFCM promo, okay? It's not going to be only Black Friday promo, it's going to be a promo that's going to be accurate and it's going to be valid through Black Friday and Cyber Monday. So we're going to call it BFCM promo. BFCM 40%, BFCM 50%. I'm going to make another video talking to you about the different promotions that you can do because some of you, for some reason, you go on the Black Friday and you're like, doing a 10% discount while everybody's doing 50%. But we're going to discuss this on another video. We are going to have a BFCM promo, which is going to be valid in all of this period. Minimum period that you're going to run ads, promo ads, is going to be 7 days. Most of the people are going to start with early Black Friday, Cyber Monday access, and it's going to be 15 days earlier. Some people are starting on the 10th, on the 15th, on the 20th, whatever, and they are running at least for 7 days. What are we doing? We are having our evergreen campaigns. We're not touching them.
No touching. No.
We are having our promo ads, which are coming from all of our previous tests. Products, funnels, creatives, things that have worked throughout the whole year and we have tested. we are going to make them Black Friday ads with our promo, BFCM ads with our promo, and we're going to start running ads with them, and these are the only ones that we're going to scale along with our cost caps. So the only things that we're going to touch in terms of budget is going to be our Black Friday, Cyber Monday ads that we're going to have there, our promo ads, and our cost caps. And we're going to start scaling aggressively throughout the whole week or throughout the days, with the biggest day on the spend being the Black Friday. I know that some of you don't have the experience of doing it, but let me tell you that if you were afraid 10 times before scaling, this is a period that you should be afraid one time only, okay? Or not at all. And you should try to scale as much as you can. Every time that you're going to run a Black Friday, you're going to have the feeling that I should have scaled more. I have never seen a successful Black Friday. And everybody's buying like crazy because this is the intent over here. So Q4 is a golden period for you to scale. The way that we're going to scale though is more based to strategic thinking about the next day, instead of just, okay, let's scale as much as we can now and we don't care about tomorrow. We have our evergreen campaigns which are going to be inflated with all of the results. We are not going to touch them, scaling them, and then down scaling them, ruining some of them and losing some of them. And we're going to scale only our promos and our cost caps. Cost caps are very easy to scale because we don't care about them. Or the promo ads, we don't care if we just increase the budget on something to 10K per day and then we lower it on the weekend to 2K and then we increase it again on Cyber Monday on 7K. We don't care about that because we know that this campaign is going to be closed after that. What we are doing is that we're increasing only the budget on those really aggressively and in progress as we reach towards the Friday, also based on results, of course. And the other thing that we do is cost caps. We put crazy budgets. We see how much it spends and we try to adjust the budget so that we can spend more and more and more, because we don't care if in one day we spend 10K with a cost cap and the next day we lower the budget to 100. It's not something that's going to hurt the cost caps. I have done it a lot of times and I can tell you that they're surviving from these situations. The differentiation this year is that what we're going to do different is that we're going to take the campaigns of BFCM and we're not going to close them this time creating Christmas ads. We're just going to have ready Christmas ads that we're going to put inside those campaigns, closing the BFCM ads. Why we're going to do that? A lot of times I have seen in campaigns that they tend to die, that you can go and you can toss creatives inside and you can actually make it survive as long as you're using the same hot pocket style. Because if you have trained, for example, an ad set or a campaign, for example, in a specific niche, let's say grandmothers, for example, you cannot just go and put an ad of men inside and just expect it to convert just because it has data. Because it has data from a specific audience. So the audience that we're using on BFCM ads over here, it's people that they like offers. Okay, so we're going to put an offer for Christmas and we're going to put our creatives there, removing the BFCM creatives, not deleting them, just closing them, turning them off, and we're going to put our Christmas ads. Very important to run your ads for Christmas up to the point that you're going to be able to send your products for the Christmas. If you are having long shipping times, just calculate it and don't do any more ads after that point, because people get angry. You might get banned or restricted because people are going to report you or something like that. So to recap, we scale as much as we can before, having as many evergreen campaigns as we can. We start earlier as early Black Friday access on November. You can start at the start of November, whatever, it's up to you. And we're scaling only our promo ads and our cost cap ads. The promo ads that we're going to run with the promotion, it's going to be a promotion that is going to have inside creatives, products, funnels, all of that from things that we have tested the previous year. The Black Friday is not for testing. The Black Friday is for scaling whatever it's already working. So we're going to use that. After that, we're going to remove, after we finish the Cyber Monday, some people, they also like to expand it for a day or two. We're going to, after we finish from that, we have also a unified offer for BFCM so that we don't change our creatives, because we want to run them unified in the campaign without doing changes. And after that, what we're going to do is that we're going to remove the creatives inside from the Black Friday and we're going to add the creatives of the Christmas so that we can start running ads until we are able to send the product and reach the customer on the Christmas or one day earlier if it's possible. After that, we're going to stop. The ultimate goal is for us to go through a period with a very good base of evergreen ads that they're going to be inflated with results and they're going to have all of this data inside. And the ultimate goal is, if we are spending from 150K or 200K, 500K, to be able to go back to this 500K 2 or 3 or 4 months later by just doing more campaigns, for example, because we want to pass the threshold, basically, okay? So that's the whole point. We don't want to leave scorched earth, basically. We want to have our evergreen campaigns, and if it's possible to scale more in the next months, on January, February, compared to what we were able to scale on September or October, for example. If we go from 150K that we spent on October to 250K on February, that's a very big win, which means that we utilized properly the attack period. We didn't only make money because it was Q4 and Black Friday and Christmas, but we also were able to increase the threshold of the ad account, and we were able to actually make it spend more. The next Black Friday, we're going to try to go before the Black Friday with 500K and scale to 1 million and so on and so on. This is how you scale brands nowadays with Black Friday, or attack periods as we used to call them. So that's all about the Black Friday. I hope that you're going to have an amazing Black Friday and you're going to make a lot of money. Don't forget that if you want to learn more, you can check my book, you can check my course, and inside there, all of the tools that you're going to be able to use during the Black Friday to scale, along with specific lessons for Black Friday. And most likely I'm going to add also, as the time passes by, sessions from Chosen 5 from me working with people during the Black Friday. Also, I have my mentorship programs, which is another thing that you can utilize, and people are having sessions with me during Black Friday to see how we can scale their ad accounts because they don't have the experience or they are afraid or whatever. I cannot promise you a spot because most of the spots are filled already. Send me a message. Maybe we'll find a solution, maybe hybrid, maybe 1 or 2 hours just to check it and help you. I'm here to help as much as I can, but on the other hand, I have limited time. You can check below all the reviews from the people who completed the course and how much they liked it and how much it helped them on other Q4s and stuff. And you can see also the reviews from the people who completed my mentorship programs and why they liked it so much. So I want to wish you a very good Q4, Christmas, Black Friday, make a lot of money. I hope that's going to be crazy good for you and you're going to scale a lot. And until we meet again, be creative and be consistent.